Hi everyone, this is Ed Martiri. I'm the President and CEO of Main Street Asset Management. We provide wealth management and financial planning. We are located on 55 Old Turnpike Road, Suite 604 in Nanuet, New York 10954. You can contact us by calling 845-263-3009, or you can send us a fax at 845-363-8473. Without any further ado, let's start this presentation where we're going to cover mainly the product and services offered by our firm. So a little bit about this presentation. We're going to talk about the firm, product and services, the investment process, and the value that we add to our clients. Okay, Main Street Asset Management provide asset management and financial planning. We were established in 2010. We have over 35 million under management and over 150 clients. I'm the CEO of the firm. I have a master's in finance from Zicklin School of Business at BROKERAGE. I'm a CFA level 3 candidate and also CPA in New York and New Jersey. I have over 13 years of financial advice experience. I've worked with JP Morgan, where I managed about 25 million for my clients, and also a Provident Bank, about 35 million. So under the wealth management products, we offer different options for our clients. One of them includes fee-based programs. A fee-based program, you are charged a fee from our firm to manage your assets. It's not performance-based, it's asset under management fee. Then you also have the option for a standard brokerage account. In the event you want to open a brokerage account, you want to do your own trading, or you don't like to pay a fee, then we charge commission. A standard brokerage account might be appropriate for you. We do have life insurance products offered either through our firm or through our affiliates. Also, we do offer some alternative investments, or we can manage those alternative investments if you currently have them and you want to include them on your portfolio. And we do provide retirement products such as 401k, single Ks, group 401k, SEP, IRAs, Roth, and so forth. This is one of our fee-based model. We have a couple of options for our clients where to invest. We have a equity and ETF mix portfolio. We have a ETF diversified portfolio, and we have 3 asset ETF portfolio. Under the equity mix, we have 3 groups, which include the growth mix, which includes mainly equity positions, growth and income, equity position, and the fixed income portion is on ETFs, and the balance, which is similar to growth and income, but a little bit weighted more on fixed income. On the ETF portfolios, it's mainly exchange traded funds. Again, 3 categories: growth and income, and balance, where the weight of the investment varies based on the risk tolerance. And 3 assets for clients that have a little bit of account balance, not high enough to be into the either equity or a full ETF. We include them into the 3 assets ETF. This is mainly for clients that have less than $25,000 to $50,000. So there are 3 products in this portfolio. You have again growth and income, and balance, and mainly it's based on the weight of the portfolio how we select how they differ from one another. Standard brokerage accounts provides the client to have a little bit more options to invest in case they want to do their own investment. Some of them include mutual funds, so you can buy mutual funds, or we can include for your mutual funds in your portfolio. We have equities, which we charge per trade commission. Fixed income, it can be either a bond or a mutual fund fixed income portfolio, or a CD, bank issue CDs, publicly traded or commercial paper. Those are included into the fixed income. And option trading, we have to categorize your account and approve it for option trading. Then you can conduct options on your account. So these are the standard brokerage options. As far as insurance, we are affiliated with TNBC, which is an insurance provider, to offer a variety of insurance products. They include whole life product, universal life insurance, variable life, term life, long-term care, and disability. So through our insurance program, we would be able to fulfill most of your insurance needs. As far as retirement products, we offer all type of retirement products. They can be either standard brokerage or a fee-based platform, depending on your needs. Some of them include an individual IRA account, a Roth IRA, a SEP IRA, a simple IRA, a profit sharing plan, and a 401k. It can be either a group 401k or it can be a single K plan or a small group 401k plan. Another aspect of the firm is to provide financial planning. Financial planning is offered through, we have signed up with Money Guide Pro, which is one of the state-of-the-art financial planning platform. Through our financial planning platform, we will be able to conduct a allocation comparison where your current portfolio is and where we recommend when we recommend it to be. It provides integration through all of your other accounts. So if you have multiple accounts that you want to look at in one snapshot, we can consolidate all of those accounts through our platform. We can assess the risk tolerance of your accounts. We have many client planning tools on the portal that we can conduct different scenarios. We can run risk management to determine how risky your portfolio is compared with your risk, with your target allocation. We can run detailed, customizable executive summary and action items in order to set target goals and objectives. We can also customize asset classes, portfolios, and their underlying assumptions, such as running what-if scenarios through Monte Carlo analysis and a few other scenarios that we can run, as well as run a full digital and printed net worth statement. So you can look at, as we said prior, you can look at all the accounts combined together in one snapshot by combining your brokerage, savings, bank account, credit cards, and so forth, all in one single snapshot. We also follow a very rigorous investment process. We want to make sure that we follow the highest, we stand by the highest ethical standards in the industry. Before we start investing, we have to put together an investment policy statement where we clearly define the role and responsibilities of you as a client and us as the advisor on the account. We set up goals by defining the purpose of the funds that we are investing. If they are to purchase a car, if the funds are needed for college, to purchase a house or a vacation, we clearly define those goals. The objectives of the account, as well as determine the risk and return based on these objectives, as well as constraints. We factor in the liquidity, the time horizon, the tax harvesting, any legal and regulatory, as well as unique situations that can occur. We review, monitor, and rebalance the account quarterly. Rebalancing can happen either monthly, quarterly, or depending on the market conditions. We perform performance measurement of the account, and we compare it with a benchmark depending on the investment strategy that you are following, in order to get a better understanding of the performance of the account compared with the benchmark, as well as define an investment strategy and style how the account will be invested. And overall, we set up guidelines how the account will be invested, and the frequency of rebalancing, investment strategy, and all the aspects that we mentioned above. So we compile them together into a single summary. With the value that we add as a financial advisory firm, mainly as a registered investment advisory firm, is the fact that we follow the CFA Institute Code of Ethics and Professional Standards. We have to follow the professionalism. We have to we try to stay updated with the law. We are always independent in our recommendation, and we provide objectivity to make sense of our investment recommendation. We avoid any misrepresentation and try to make sure that everything is clear, so you as a client can make the right decision, and also avoid any misconduct, such as front running or trade preferential treatments and so forth. We have to follow the integrity of capital markets. We cannot manipulate the market by placing large trades on the platform in order to influence a stock or a position, and we cannot manipulate it as well as we cannot operate on any non-public information that is insider trading, which is a violation of capital market. Our duty to you as a client, we try to be always loyal to you, we are prudent, and we exercise care in our transaction and dealing with you. We deal fairly with everyone. Everyone has an equal opportunity to acquire or to properly be allocated on the securities. With suitability, we follow the suitability of each client, as well as performance presentation has to be done based on the standards of provided by the industry, required by the industry. As well as all of your information is confidential. No one has access to your information beside us as an office and the clearing firm. As far as investment analysis, recommendation, and actions, we always provide due diligence and reasonable basis whenever we recommend an investment. Communication with clients or any prospective clients is on a regular basis, and the information is disseminated simultaneously to all clients in order to make a decision. And we retain record for any trades or any recommendation or any securities that we place on your account. We avoid as well any disclosure. We avoid any conflict of interest by disclosing if there is any conflict of interest. There is no priority or transaction. Every client is treated fairly and equally, no matter how much assets we have under management. And referral fees, we don't get any referral fees as far as any of the products or services that we offer. Everything is in-house. Either is part of the rep fee agreement or it's per services basis, depending on the service that you would be receiving. And that concludes our presentation for today. I hope you found it interesting, and you have a little bit of better understanding of the firms with the product and services provided. Again, thank you again, and if you have any questions, you can contact us at the information provided.